You want to speak English, but wait. First, listen to this. You want to swim and you think that you should know how to swim, or you know everything about driving, where the brake is, where the gear is, and you know everything. But until you actually try it practically, you will never be able to do it. And even after knowing everything, when you try to do it, at first you will face difficulties. Your brain will not work, where to apply the brake, where to change the gear. But when you learn by practicing again and again, it is the same with English. You know the rules, you know all the grammars, you know models, you know everything. But if you don't start speaking practically, you will never be able to speak, because English is not a subject, English is a skill. And every skill needs practice, not just knowledge. You can read books, you can watch videos, you can learn vocabulary, you can learn grammar rules, but still you may feel scared when you have to speak. Why? Because your tongue and your mind are not trained to speak together. Many people say, I understand English, but I can't speak. The real problem is not understanding, the real problem is fear and lack of practice. And I want to tell you one thing honestly, I have also faced all these problems, the fear you are feeling today, and I felt the same. I was also scared of making mistakes. I also used to think too much before speaking. But I decided to try some speaking, to practice, even when I was not confident. When a child learns to speak, nobody teaches him grammar, nobody explains tenses or sentence structure. The child listen, repeat, makes mistakes, and slowly improves. That is how language is learned. But as adults, we want to perfect from day one. We are afraid of mistakes. We are afraid of people laughing. We are afraid. We are afraid of being judged. Remember one thing: mistakes are not enemy. Mistakes are your teachers. When you speak wrong English, it means you are trying. When you say silent, it means you are stopping your growth. At the beginning, your sentence will be broken, your pronunciation will not be clear, your you will stop in the middle of a sentence, and that is completely okay. I was also not fluent in the beginning, and I am not much fluent now, but I kept speaking, I kept practicing, and slowly things started changing. Nobody learned to walk without falling, and nobody learned to ride a bicycle without losing balance. So, how can you expect to speak English fluently without struggling? Start small, speak one sentence a day, speak to yourself, speak in front of the mirror, talk about your daily routine, describe what you are doing, and don't wait for the confidence. Confidence comes after practice, not before practice. If you wait and think first, I will learn everything, then I will speak, that day will never come. You don't need to be perfect grammar to speak good English. You need clear thoughts and courage. Slowly, something magical will happen. Your brain will start thinking in English, your tongue will move naturally, you will stop translating from Hindi, and speaking will become easier. Even if you speak for just 5 minutes daily, after 1 month you will see change. After 3 months, people will notice your improvement. After 6 months, you will surprise yourself. So don't give excuses. Don't say you don't have time. Don't say you are weak in English, and you are not weak. You are just untrained. And training comes only with practice. So start today, start now, and speak English, wrong English, broken English, simple English, but speak. Because one day this practice will turn into confidence, and this confidence will change your life. If you are still watching this, it means you really want to change. So don't stop here. Promise to yourself today, I will not for perfect time. I will start speaking. Even if your voice shakes, even your words are wrong, even if people judge you, keep speaking. Because one day the same people will ask you, how did you learn English so well? And you will smile and say, I practiced even when I was scared. So, take the first step today. Your English journey starts now, not tomorrow. Thank you for listening, and remember, practice makes confidence. So keep practicing, keep learning, and move forward. And thank you so much for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.